Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at these fabulous little flatbread slash pita bread type things that I've made out of an Exante soup pack. Guys, look, just the way that you can just rip into these. They're literally like tiny little breads, and it's a fantastic way to enjoy your soup pack, especially if you don't enjoy the soup that much. This is such a much nicer way to do it. So please, I've got loads of Exante pack hacks and low fat, light recipe, low carb, high protein recipes ideas, so please subscribe. So for this, first of all, put your oven on to 180 degrees. I personally use the red Thai soup pack. You can use any one. Add about a third of the soup pack to a bowl and a tiny amount of water. Mix with a spatula, mix as well as possible, and then bit by bit add the rest of the contents of the soup pack, literally really slowly stirring and mixing. And it's really important you do add that tiny bit of water, because what you want to do, you don't want it a sticky cake mixture, you want it into quite a dry dough mixture. So it's really important, this bit, add bit by bit. After a while you need to start using your fingers. As you can see on mine, it actually stuck to my fingers. This is not what you want. So just keep adding more and more of the soup mixture to make it drier and drier, so it's not sticking to your fingers anymore. Mix it around, make sure it's nice and dough type and but fairly dry, a tiny bit moist at the same time, and then basically it should be ready. Add a few squirts of fry light to some non-stick baking foil, and then basically just you can make it into one big bread, then you need a little bit longer to cook with. I've decided to make it into just 2 little bits of bread. Be quite careful with the shape, the way you want it. I'm just kind of squeezing it out to make it a little bit thinner, to kind of make it feel like I'm eating more, but also I'm just going to sort of make sure that the edge is kind of a little bit straighter, a little bit neater, just making it kind of look a little bit nicer basically. So this is how my final breads ended up looking. Made it nice and flat and turned it round a couple of times, and then put it in the oven. And you need to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, but kind of halfway through it's good to turn them over and just to make sure that they get done on the other side. And then between 15 to 20 minutes, but it kind of depends on how hot your oven is, it kind of depends on other things. And voila, this is the end result. An absolutely fantastic way to enjoy an Exante soup mix. I've served it up with a little bit of parsley. You can serve it up with a dollop of skinny mayo or something like that, and just make it really delicious. Please don't forget to share this recipe if you like this, and to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave any comments below, any suggestions for recipes. God bless.